Hello everyone, so this is my last part of this project. Like in previous video I have told you about my project, this is AI content generator, and how we make a structure and new styling by the use of HTML and CSS. So now we will see about JavaScript and AI integration, how AI works in our app. So this is API URL. It is a what we call a Gemini version that will take our response and process our inputs. So I am using async function for generate. Like there is no, it will generate our response and give us in a different methods. Like I have used to get the input, I am using different kind of conditions. Like if user clicks button idea, so it will generate idea. It will give this prompt to the it will take this API, take this response within to the Gemini server. It will process according to this prompt and it will give us the output according to our prompt. Like in summarize, it will summarize the inputs in simple words, and definition provide a clear and concise definition of input, include examples of relevant. Like I have showed you before, when we search about what is loop, it has given a definition and the example. So now this is why this is how we give our input to the API. So this is a response area where fetch we are using. It will fetch our API and the post method is post. Like here we are giving our input and header. It will take the input in JSON form and it will give us response. Body is carries the actual data, like in which form we want our response, and this is our response code. In this we are using await response JSON. Like why we use async and await. Async is a asynchronous function, like here we are using. It will run our code in line by line, but we use await for async will give us the promise. Like if we want to search anything or if we want to fetch any kind of data from Gemini, so API will take our input and it will process. Until its process is done, it will give us 3 promises. Like when our inputs is under process, it will give us pending, and after process it will give us resolve or reject according to the response by AI. And here it will take our response. Our response AI will give us a response in a JSON form, and we will take the actual text part that we want to show user in front end. And if there are some errors, so it will take the error and it will give us a message like no response received or error, that any error we will receive by the API. This is the flow of our API. Like it will take our input and API will take our input to the Gemini API. There, like this is Gemini API's address, AI's address. Our input will go here and it will process our inputs. Then it will give the response in a JSON form. After that we will take our actual text format or the actual text response that we want to say so in our UI. Thank you. So this is my project.